So blockchain at its core is a decentralized ledger technology that records every transaction across the network of computers. Unlike traditional systems that are totally relying on central authority, blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network where each participant has a copy of the ledger. And here, all the transactions are grouped into one block, validated by network of participants through the methods like proof of work or proof of stake, like mining and everything. These
Yeah,
are
yeah.
our underlying those technologies.
Hey guys, and welcome to another Grow IT podcasts. Again, one of your hosts here, Trugana King. And today we are very excited to have our guest, Mr. Vara Prasad from VNFTY. And we'll be diving today into his story a bit, as well as, what it is specifically his company does, and then some engaging insights into not just the technology sector, but the blockchain industry as well. So I'm very much looking forward to this one. So make sure you stick around. And then without further ado, Vara, welcome, and please introduce yourself and tell the listeners a quick snippet of your story.
Yeah, sure, Greg. And thanks for giving me this opportunity. And thanks for introducing me to your podcast reviewers. Yeah. So I'm gonna continue with my introduction. So this is Vara Prasad Sethi, the CEO of VRIT Services Pro, where the web applications and websites take form from idea, and also a founder of VNFTY, the next gen NFT marketplace, where NFT get real value and utility. And I'm a technology innovator, industry leader, software professional, and a blockchain enthusiast. I dream of a world with technology where people's lives are easy and advanced. Previously, I have also worked with a team of leaders and project as a leader, team leader, and also project manager and CTO of very well versed IT technology companies before. And I've been working with the different kind of clients that are in the domains of e-commerce, SaaS, IT, healthcare, banking, and etc. I always believe that living in the future now through technology and innovation.
Excellent. Thank you so much for that introduction. Tell me, so Vara, how did you like get into this business sector? Like what was it that sparked your interest initially? That made you so passionate about what you do.
Yeah, sure. So it is like this, I have finished my education in bachelor's, and the specification is in computer science. By nature or by birth, I was always unique from others, keeping myself unique and at the thinking and also intellectual level. And this led me to have an e-commerce company startup actually at in 2016. Along with it, I was also working as a junior software developer in the front end. It's not like something inspired me, but it always comes from within. And at
Excellent.
the time when I was having the startup in e-commerce, I was thinking only one thing, like, okay, if I get only one order, I'm successful. Eventually, I served 1,000 plus orders through my business in short period of time. And but with the business model I was working with that time, I found I may require more manpower and more money, which I was lacking at that time. Then I took a pause from it and pursued my job career and everything. And meanwhile, I was also learning. I put myself as a student all the time, so that life is also already giving us a lot of opportunities to learn. So that's where I'm gonna be really good at. And eventually everything goes on. And because at that age, I may be technically sound and enthusiastic, but that's not really enough to be a successful business person. There's
Yeah.
much more to learn along the way. I worked with the different kind of teams that are working with the various technologies at my job. That way, I got an opportunity to learn new technologies at every step. Now it's time to implement.
Excellent. The it's quite profound that you said that, like, even though you're a successful businessman and your business is doing quite well, the to still be that student the whole time, right? And there's always like that level of modesty, one should have when it comes to, obviously, to be able to grow exponentially, as well as, like, break through future, glass ceilings and thus forth. So very profound. Vara, I mean, it sounds like you've got a lot of experience and expertise, right? So a bit
Yeah,
more
I
from
do.
so a bit more from the market side. Like, what are like the current market trends that you're aware of, that you've picked up within not just maybe necessarily on your business's industry, but in tech industry as well? What trends, what way is the wind like blowing these days?
Yeah. So I've been an IT person like almost 9+ years, and it's been nearly a 10 years. So today and also being a business person, today I'm in the market, indeed heavily geared towards technology-driven solutions with the AI and blockchain as focal points. I am witnessing a wave of startups capitalizing on these technologies, often merging them to create applications that are not only innovative, but also secure and user-centric programs. The convergence of blockchain and AI enables enhanced data security, transparency, and automation, which are increasingly important as more industries look to decentralize their data and handling their under operations. The trend of combining these two technologies, AI and blockchain, is particularly a ripe of applications are there, like NFTs, where security and also authenticity are very crucial. And both individual and industries are eager to adapt innovative products, which are the individuals, and also every industry is very looking forward to this.
Excellent.
Another thing is blockchain technologies also coming with their I'm sorry, I lost it.
Yeah. Oh, good. Please continue.
We can continue, right?
Sure. Yes, of course.
Okay. Yeah, actually, the internet is saying like your internet is going slow. Okay,
Yes.
give me a second. Yeah, I'm gonna start from the second one again.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thanks for that again for the understanding.
Of course.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. And yeah, I'm gonna continue starting from now. Yeah, I got 10+ of years of experience almost in the IT. So 9+ actually it is, but 10 nearly. And today as a business person, I'm looking a lot of heavily change towards blockchain AI technologies. In the market, indeed, heavily geared towards technology driven solutions with the blockchain and AI as focal points. And I am witnessing a wave of new and startups capitalizing on these technologies, often merging them to create applications that are not only innovative, but also secure and user-centric.
Okay.
The convergence of blockchain and AI enables enhanced data security, transparency, and automation, which are increasingly important as more industries look to decentralize data handling and operations. This trend of combining these both of AI and blockchain is particularly ripe of applications are there, like NFTs, where security and authenticity are very crucial. And both individuals and industries are very eager to adapt innovative products.
All right. So, I'm definitely not an expert when it comes to blockchain technology, right? I mean, that's why
Yeah,
we've got experts like you coming on our show. But having said that, I mean, blockchain technology and NFTs have been game changers. I mean, like in a lot of industries, right? And I mean, spanning from, I mean, arts to even finance. Could you explain just maybe a bit deeper how blockchain works, like at its core, just for not just for our listeners, for myself as well, and what role NFTs play in this, like, can we call it decentralized ecosystem, if I may?
Yeah, sure. So blockchain at its core is a decentralized ledger technology that records every transaction across the network of computers. Unlike traditional systems that are totally relying on central authority, blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network where each participant has a copy of the ledger. And here, all the transactions are grouped into one block, validated by network of participants through the methods like proof of work or proof of stake, like mining and everything. These
Yeah,
are
yeah.
working underlying those technologies and are linked in a chronological chain. Once added, these blocks are immutable. You cannot change them, you cannot rewrite them anywhere, ensuring the integrity and transparency of the recorded data. And when we are talking about NFTs, these are non-fungible tokens, leverage all the blockchain's decentralization and immutability features to create unique content from art to in-game assets. And there are endless applications in there. But currently, the wave is going through all the NFTs and selling and buying and swapping stuff. And unlike cryptocurrencies, NFTs are fungible. Cryptocurrencies are fungible, but NFTs are not. NFTs are very unique, making them ideal for representing ownership, one of a kind, and also limited edition items. In the decentralized ecosystem, NFTs play several roles in also taking form. In most of them, we are hearing in the market recently, like ownership verification. You can go to can have grab an NFT and go to some limited people, what they call parties and everything. So
Okay.
these are actually being used in the real world. So, and also tokenizing assets, let's say like real estate, they're already using them. So this is
Yes.
how it's been being with blockchain NFTs.
Excellent. Thank you for that comprehensive answer. I think I got a good base now to work from. Thank you for
Yeah.
that. The Vara, what do you see as, like, a bit more towards your business now? What do you see as the most significant value your business, brings to the marketplace, to other businesses, and how do you guys currently go about communicating this specific value that you guys have, right? How do you guys currently go about communicating with your market?
Yeah. Well, everyone is actually talking about NFTs are dead and lost their interest by to buy or sell. And just right now, they are like buying NFTs are much more than they think. But actually,
Okay.
they have in this perspective uh, where we are coming into the market. VNFT is here to revive those NFTs are back, which are already dead. In this ever-evolving world of blockchain technology and digital assets, our marketplace introduces a groundbreaking concept that transforms the way we perceive NFTs. And we are thrilled to present a pioneering feature, which is token embedded NFTs. Through VNFT, we are fusing and also focusing to both on crypto and NFTs together and to make a new kind of digital asset that itself has value and utility together. The applications are unlimited from this, ranging from DeFi, real estate, Web3 games,
Yes.
in-game purchases, etc. And we're already working on the this NFT marketplace, and it is you can access it through VNFTY.com, and it is already in the dev. Smart contracts and everything is already done. Some of them that programmers are testing and everything happening in the backend. And adding to that one, we're also having one P2E game to procure community and also let them have a little bit of what this marketplace is before even we go out live. So we're going to
Yeah.
have a TG Telegram mini app, which is going to be such as, let's say, tapping game. You're gonna earn all those tokens there, and you can use them on the VNFTY marketplace. And yes, for those podcast listeners, I'm gonna um, ask you guys to follow our socials. And also at this stage, actually, we have developed almost everything, and we have an MVP ready, which is working. And we are also we are in the stage of looking for investors to bootstrap the business and get into the market as soon as possible. If there are any investors, we are really looking forward to working with you guys.
Excellent. And tell me, Vara, from a, in your opinion as a businessman, right? What's, to the listeners out there, what type of mindset would you say is needed to be successful, founder of a company, and maybe founder, in the kind of space that you are currently in?
Yeah, to be a successful founder with the entrepreneurial mindset that thrives on adaptability, resilience, and also deep sense of purpose is essential. Founders often face unpredictable challenges and rapid changes. So
Yeah,
adaptability is crucial for navigating market shifts and evolving customer needs. They should be comfortable with the risk and uncertainty, seeing obstacles not as setbacks, but as learning opportunities and paths to innovation. Resilience is also a key, as setbacks are inevitable in any startup journey. Successful founders learn to handle failure, stay motivated, and push forward. This perseverance helps maintain momentum even when results are slow to materialize. Additionally, an openness to continue learning is vital. The best founders are curious, seeking knowledge to improve their industry insights, customers' understanding, and also operational skills. This approach is essential for fostering innovation and staying competitive. Finally, adding to that one, strong communication skills are indispensable. From
yeah.
pitching to investors and rallying a team to engage clients, a founder's ability to clearly convey vision and value can make all the difference in building and sustaining momentum.
Excellent. That was quite profound. I think even I learned a couple of things there. That is, I mean, that's excellent. Well, Vara, I need to tell you that I can fully understand why you guys are so, on exponential growth at the moment. Like you mentioned as well, you're looking for some more, even funding to grow this business, even obviously making those paradigm shifts, right? So I need to thank you for coming on. This has been very insightful. We truly learned a couple of things today. And then just lastly, again, if you don't mind, just tell our listeners where can they go about to find you?
What was that? I lost you.
Sure.
Your words are
Yeah,
gone.
no. What I wanted to say is, that, just lastly, if you don't mind to say again, where can the listeners of today, where can they go find you guys?
Oh, I'm totally lost. Like your voice is very low and hello,
You
can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you perfectly. Can you hear me?
Yeah, please.
Hi, Vara. So, one can clearly see why your business is so successful, and clearly you guys are currently in the space that you want to, provide some exponential growth, break through those ceilings, looking for some extra funding as well to grow it even faster, right? And
Yeah.
then I need to thank you for coming on. This has been very insightful. We really, like I said, did learn a lot today. And then just lastly, from your side, where can the listeners go about, just to find you guys?
Yeah, we maintain all our socials, just like what every project or maybe every crypto project, every NFT project do. We have our Telegram, Discord already set up, server is running really good, and we have nearly 600 of people are already there enjoying our conversations and also finding our new platform, how it is useful, and they're really looking forward to when we go live. And we have a TG group and channel, so you can be really always be informed, and you can follow our Twitter so that you can always be in the loop.
Excellent. Vara, thank you for coming on. All the best with your business, and we look forward to see you guys everywhere. All the best. Thanks for coming on.
Thank you, everyone.
Take care. Bye now.